Yes, so now you have got full energy and time to devote for entrance preparation. Aniket, Tasmay, Jennifer, Ananya, you all have time now. Totally devote on this entrance.
Yes, sir.
46. A metal wire of negligible mass has length 1 meter, cross section area of 10 raised to minus 6 meter square, is kept on a smooth horizontal table with one end fixed on the table. A ball of mass 2 kg is attached to the string. When wire and the ball are rotated, with angular velocity of 20 radian per second, it is found that wire gets elongated by 10 raised to minus 3 meter. If Young's modulus of the wire is n times 10 raised to 11, then what is value of n? Any idea, Ashlesha?
So we'll do centripetal force equals to restoring rate.
Centripetal force is equals to restoring. That means centrifugal is restoring. Huh?
Yeah.
Centrifugal force is restoring force, correct? Restoring force. Whenever it is problem of something tied and rotated, this concept, toy wala problem, circular motion, may we have done this. So m omega square r is k into elongation. K I can write in terms of y. What is y formula? Y equal to f upon al by l, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So therefore y will become k into l, l upon a into l, ll cancel. So y a upon capital L into L, okay? Now it is just one unknown, n of y we can calculate. M is 2 kg, omega 20 square, radius. What is length of rotation given? Radius of rotation given? Not given, na? Radius of rotation is given?
No, sir.
So radius of rotation will be elongation plus original length, correct? 1 plus 10 raised to minus 3 meter is radius, na? When it starts rotating under elongation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 plus 10 raised to minus 3 is approximately 1. So it will be 2 into 400 equals to n into 10 raised to minus 6, and this will become 5. 5 minus 3. So it will be minus 9, 11 minus 9, that is 2. 10 raised to 2 upon 1. N will become 800 upon 10 raised to 2. N equal to 8. N is equals to 8. Do we have 8 as an option? Yes, B option. Option B. If done, then save so that we can move fast ahead.
Done, sir.
47. A rigid bar of mass m is supported symmetrically by 3 wires each of length L. 3 wires each of length L. A bar is supported. 3 wires each of length L. At each end are of copper. These are copper. Middle one is made up of iron. What is ratio of their diameter? That means diameter of copper to diameter of iron we want. If each of wire will have same tension, each wire having same tension. So T of copper is same as T of iron. F is YA elongation upon original length. YA elongation upon original length. This I think you got idea I wrote from here. F upon A, L by L. So YA small l upon capital L. Same length over will get cancelled. If it is remaining horizontal, this elongation also will be same. So it will come Y1 upon Y2 is A2 upon A1, which is D2 upon D1 square. So I get D1 upon dt is root of Y2 by Y1. Y2 is nothing but Y of iron upon Y of copper. Y iron, Y of copper, option D. No, sorry, in root we want the B option. Option B.
Done, sir.
Sum number 48. Two springs of force constant K and 2K are stretched by same force. That means F1 is same as F2. E1, E2 are the potential energy stored respectively. Then relation between E1 and E2 we want. Just try, take 2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Are you getting same option B? E1 is 2 E2.
Yes, sir.
Aniket, after lecture you will wait today.
Yes, sir.
14. Those who are in 12th, in fact, everybody can wait. What is energy stored per unit volume? Tell me formula for energy stored per unit volume. Ayush? Ayush, formula for energy stored per unit volume?
Half FL.
No. Half stress into strain. Half FL is only energy stored. Per unit volume is half stress into strain. Now they have given Y and strain. Stress can be write in terms of Y and strain. Stress is Y into strain. Okay.
Yes.
Now I think you can manage. Y is 1.1 into 10 raised to 11 into strain square. Strain is 0.1%. So 0.1 upon 100 square. Half into 1.1 into 10 raised to 11. 10 raised to minus 3 square. That will be 0.55 into 10 raised to 11 into 10 raised to minus 6. That becomes 0.55 into 10 raised to 5. 5.5 into 10 raised to 4. Option D. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When the load applied to stretch a wire is increased from load applied F1, F2 is increased from 1 kg weight to 2 kg weight. The extension produced in the wire increases from 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter. Work done in the extension is how much if G is given as 10 meter per second square. Work done in the extension will be work done to elongate till L2 minus L1. So half of F2 L2 minus half of F1 L1. Half common. F2 is 2. L2 is 1 millimeter. So 10 raised to minus 3. F1 is 1 into 10 raised to 5 into 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into G 10. So that it becomes in Newton. So half of 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 and 0.5. 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10. 0.75 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10. 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule. Option C. Done again?
Yes, sir.
51 is important sum. Similar sum will come even in electrostatic, like 51. Y-axis, x-axis. This is given load. Load means force. Extension means that elongation L. 4 graph is given. OA, OB, OC, OD. Whenever you see more than one graph, think of slope. What is slope here? F by L. Y upon X is called slope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us read what they want. All the wires are of same length, material. Original length is same, material is same, means Y is same. Y, comma L are same. Which line represents the thinnest wire? Means which line has minimum area? Which line has minimum area, then only thinnest. F upon L is slope here. So first Y is F upon A into L by L. Therefore F upon L upon A is constant because Ly is constant. So F by L is directly proportional to area. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now slope of A is minimum, correct na? Therefore area of A is minimum. So A is thinnest. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Line OA is thinnest. B option. Option. Whenever more than one graph comes, keep in mind, please start with slope relation.
Done, sir.
Okay. 52. A metallic beam having Young's modulus Y is supported at the two ends. It is loaded at the center. Depression of the center is proportional to. Depression means delta is proportional to W L cube upon YB D cube. So it is inversely proportional to Y. Option B. 53. A spherical shell contracts in volume by 0.02% of original volume when subjected to pressure of 1 atmosphere. Assume that 1 atmosphere is 10 raised to 8. 10 raised to 8. 10 raised to 5 होना चाहिए, I think misprint हुआ है. We are taking 10 raised to 5, 8 नहीं होगा. the bulk modulus of material will be how much? So K equals to dP upon dV by V, 10 raised to 5 upon 0.02 upon 100. This goes up 10 raised to 7 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, 0.5 into 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 9. That will be 5 into 10 raised to 8, which is 50 into 10 raised to 7, option C.
So it will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 4, na?
200 into 10 raised to minus 4. Which one you are saying?
Acha, no, got it.
Acha, you thought this is minus 4?
Yeah.
It's same, na? 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 goes up, same.
Hmm.
Completed 53? 54 you all will do on your own just now. Yes,
Yes, sir.
try 54.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
we took 1 atmosphere is 10 raised to 5, na?
10 raised to 5. It can't be 10 raised to 8. Na? We know the value.
Then 100 atmosphere will be 10 raised to 7 now.
No, they have taken pressure of pressure of 100 atmosphere. I wrote 1 atmosphere only. 100 atmosphere. Then it will become 10 raised to 2 more. So 9 you will get. Na, here. 10 raised to 2 more. 10 raised to 2 more. 10 raised to 9 it will become. In that case, it will become option D. I want 54 answer from you all.
Option B.
Option B, yes, correct. Option B is correct. All of you got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same formula, na? F2L1 minus F1L2 upon F1 minus F2 minus F1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is not knowing, please tell so that I will write. Everybody got same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 54. 55 now. Again important sum. Upper end of wire 1 meter long. Wire of 1 meter long. 2 millimeter radius. is clamped means fixed. Lower end is twisted through 45 degree. What is angle of twist? Angle of twist means we want phi. Phi is dx upon L. Dx means shift. See, when twisted by 360 degree, then drift equals to 2 pi r, that means circumference. So 360 degree corresponds to 2 pi r, 45 degree will correspond to dx. So I will get dx is 45 upon 360 into 2 pi r. So d phi is 45 upon 360 into 2 pi r divided by length 1 meter. 45 into 9. No, 9. 8 5 is 48. 45 into 8 it will come. 8 into 5, 40, 30, 24. So this will become 2 into 4. Pi by 4 into 2 millimeter means 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. That means pi by 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. That many radian. This is in radian. So converting into degree. Pi by 2, 180 upon pi into 10 raised to minus 3 in degree. Pi cancel, 2 into 90. 9 into 10 raised to minus 2, 0.09 degree. Option B. Yes, followed. What is the concept behind this? If this is cylindrical wire, when you are twisting it, it will move by 2 pi r for 360 degree. So how much will be drift for 45 degree? That logic I did by unitary method and then proceeded. Completed?
Done, sir.
Sum number 56. Two rods are having coefficient of linear expansion alpha 1, alpha 2. Young's moduli are y1, y2 respectively. The rods are heated so that they undergo same increase in temperature. Okay, there is no bending. If alpha 1 upon alpha 2 is 2 by 3, thermal stress developed in the two rods are equal. Thermal stress means force upon area in the two rods are equal. Then what is y1, y2? They are undergoing same increase in temperature. What is y1, y2? Stress is same. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is y formula? F upon A, L by L, correct?
Yes, sir.
Stress, this is called stress. So y1 upon y2, this will get cancelled. Will be L by L of first, L by L of second. So y1 upon y2. Now if you know this, L by L is nothing but alpha delta T. What is alpha? Increase in length, that is small l here, upon original length into rise in temperature. So temperature is same, in ratio it will get cancelled. So alpha is L by L. This is capital L upon small l. So 1 upon alpha 1, 1 upon alpha 2. That is alpha 2 by alpha 1, which is equals to 3 by 2. Answer 3 is to 2. Next 57. 57. Please try on your own. Force developed be bond by heating. So last class we had done this. This is y a alpha delta t.
Done, sir.
Is it coming? 10 raised to 10?
Yes, sir.
58. For maximum extension with given load for a wire with same value of Young's modulus of elasticity, which is true. For maximum extension, same load, same Y, which is true. Maximum extension means maximum elongation. Y is F upon A L by L. L will become FL upon A Y. Now they are saying Y is same and load is same. L should be proportional to L by A because F and Y are same. So first option A. Whichever has got L upon area maximum, minimum, that will have, do you want maximum or minimum? Maximum elasticity. So area you can write pi r square, which is same as, you can take diameter 1 in the same. So first case length is 300 and diameter is 10. So 10 square, all diameter only I am taking, so it won't make any difference. So it is 3 here. In B, 200 upon 5 square. So 200 upon 25 will become 8. C. 100 upon 2. 100 upon 4, which is 25. B. 50 upon 0.5 is half. So this will become 50 upon 1 by 4 equals to 200. So in which case we will have maximum extension? D.
D.
D is the answer.
Done, sir.
Okay, 59. Try 59. Elastic potential energy per unit volume is half stress into strain. We have to write answer in terms of strain. So is it A option?
Yes, sir.
59 will be option. 68. Mean distance between the atoms is given 3 into 10 raised to minus 10. Interatomic force constant K for ion is 7. Young's modulus Y is. कल कराया था ना आपको ये फॉर्मूला मैंने.
Yes, sir.
What was the formula for K
K
or
is
Y?
into R.
Huh?
K is Y into R.
K is Y into R. So what will be Y? K by R. K is 7. 3 into 10 raised to minus 10. So 7 by 3 into 10 raised to 10. 3 into 2 is 6. Remainder 1. 3 3 is a 9. 2.33 into 10 raised to 10. 2.33 into 10 raised to 10, option D.
Done, sir.
61. One end of uniform rope of length L, rope having length L and weight W, is attached to a point in the roof with weight W1 suspended from its lowest end. S is the area of cross section. Then the stress in the wire at a height 3/4 of L. At the height 3/4 of L, we want stress. Stress is force acting per unit area. Area is S. What is force acting at this distance? Total 3/4 weight of the wire, because it is at height of 3/4, plus W1 suspended. Okay, 3/4 of the total load of wire and the load suspended. So option C. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Complete 61. Try next one, 62.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Others are also getting same. Yes, same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2
sir.
into 10 raised to 9 equals to dp upon 0.1 by 100. That means it will become 2 into 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to minus 1 upon 10 raised to 2. 2 into 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 into 10 raised to 6 is correct. C option is correct. 63. Sag in a bar of length L to weight W applied at midpoint when it's supported at its end by fixed point at same height is proportional to. Okay. Sag means that delta. It's WL cube upon YB cube. The option is C. Proportional to L cube. 64. Young's modulus of perfectly rigid body. Stress upon strain. Strain is 0, infinity. 65. Same material, elongation. I think it is repeated, similar to the earlier one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Similar to the previous one. Please try. 65. Tell the correct answer.
Sir, option B.
Option B. Yes, correct. (66) When a wire is subjected to the force along the length, its length increases by 0.4%. Length increases by 0.4% and radius decreases by 0.2%. What is Poisson ratio? It is dr bar upon r L by L. So 0.2 upon 100, 0.4 upon 100. 2 by 4, 0.5.
Done, sir.
67 is repeated one. Thinnest wire they want. Again, OA. 67 is repeated one, correct? Slope is minimum, F by L minimum, load elongation, barabar. So same sum repeated, option C. 68. Two wires are of same material, same diameter, but length in the ratio of 2:5. They are stretched by same force. Then work done in stretching them is in what ratio? Same diameter, same force. Work done formula is half FL. FL. Elongation is missing. You have to convert answer in terms of Y. F is same. This L you write in terms of Y. What is L? Y formula? F upon A L by L. So small l will become F L upon A Y. So in ratio, whatever is same cancel, whatever is not same that will retain. Half cancel, 4 same cancel, same diameter to area cancel, same material Y cancel, just will get L1 by L2, 2:5. Okay. Two is to 5. $69. Again, you will tell the answer. Same type repeated.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Yes, sir.
A might be correct. Six L1 minus 4L2 upon 2 equals to 9L1 minus 4L3 upon 5. This I can cancel. Taking 2 common, 3L1 minus 2L2 upon 2 equals to 9L1 minus 4L3 upon 5. 2 to cancel. 15 times L1 minus 10 times L2 is 9L1 minus 4L3. So 4 times L3 will be 9L1 minus 15L1 plus 10L2. 4 times L3 is minus 6L1 plus 10L2. So dividing by 4, 6 upon 4 is 3 by 2, 1.5 L1, 2.5 L2. 2.5 L2 minus 1.5 L1, option A, correct. 70 is again repeated type. हेलो, हाँ हाँ, तो पहले वो पेपर का कर दो, वो होने के बाद हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं, पागल हो गया है क्या? हाँ तो 11 नंबर कौन सा, मतलब क्या आंसर की बनाया ना सर, टाइम पास कर रहे हो? तो क्या रामायण पूछ रहे हो? ठीक। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
70th, what is the answer?
A.
Sir, A.
So now we have completed mechanical property of solid, that is elasticity. So Sunday's test, as I told, it is mechanical properties of solid and fluid. Any doubt, please keep on asking. These two chapters you have to make it perfect by Sunday.